Hi everyone, I hope all of you are fine. Today I'm going to answer one of the questions one of the parents have asked me is that they went to a parents' evening and the head teacher of the school and the class teacher of the school has told them that their child is not a grammar school child, and if their child gives the grammar school entrance and if they miss the entrance, the school will not be able to appeal for them. If this is the case with you, I would say that please don't listen to the school. Just keep preparing for the grammar school entrance. I'm going to tell you by experience. I had one of my students, the school told them the same thing, that the student will not pass the grammar school entrance. But my student did not give up. And with my help, the student had worked really hard. They passed the Kent and Midway. And now the school had changed their opinion about the child. So don't listen to the school. Keep